Hey guys, this is Jam of JamOnline.ph and nakikita nyo ngayon ang Cherry Mobile Flare S7. Nandito kami ngayon sa Cherry Mobile office para i-unbox sa smartphone na to. But before we proceed, gusto ko sabihin sa inyo na engineering unit lang ang smartphone na to, so hindi natin pwede i-check out yung kanyang software. So there are two variants ng Cherry Mobile Flare S7. So the Cherry Mobile Flare S7 comes in 2GB na RAM or 3GB na RAM. So available siya in black and white sa parehas na variant. Pero sa 2GB variant, exclusive doon yung purple and blue. While sa 3GB variant, exclusive doon yung gold and red color. Actually, like the red color based doon sa sinanyo nila sa aming picture. Anyway, before that, let's proceed to specifications. So we got a 5.5-inch HD Plus display. It's an 18:9 display. We do not have the notch here, unlike doon sa Flare S7 Deluxe. Meron din tayong 2 or 3 gigs of RAM, 16 gigs of internal storage. It's running on 1.3 GHz quad-core MT6739WA processor with PowerVR GE8100 GPU. So, meron din tayong Android 8.1 sa loob and of course, meron tayong ditong quad camera setup. We got a 13 plus 2 megapixel sa unahan and a 13 plus 2 sa likod. Both cameras, both sides supports BSI. Then, meron din tayong 2400 mAh of battery and yeah, meron tayong fingerprint scanner and USB Type-C. So, i-unbox na natin dito itong Cherry Mobile Flare 7 para malaman natin kung ano ba meron sa smartphone na to. So, yan. Okay, so makikita nyo dito yung Cherry Mobile Flare S7. Yan, okay. Glossy siya. It's white. Mamaya pag-uusapan natin siya. So, lagay ko muna siya sa tabi. Yan. So, sa loob, we got here the USB Type-C to USB Type-A. And then, of course, we got here the battery. This is a 2400 milliamps of battery. Mamaya lagay natin sa smartphone. And then, meron tayong earphones dito. Nothing really special about the earphones ng Flare 7. Then, of course, the charger. So, yung charger niya is rated at 1200 milliamperes. So, yan. So, the charger is rated at 1200 milliamperes at 5 volts. Mas mabilis na siya compared sa mga previous Cherry Mobile chargers na 1 ampere lang. Yan, so ito tayo user guide na normally hindi nyo na binabasa. And of course, the Cherry applications. May notch na siya. Dati hindi ganito yung design niya. Yan. So ilagay na natin yung battery dito sa Cherry Mobile Flare S7. Ayan, so madali naman malaman kung 2 gigs or 3 gigs variant yung nakuha nyo kasi nakalagay sa likod. Flare S7, 2GB. Ayan, so kita nyo naman yung likod ng Cherry Mobile Flare S7. So, as you can see here, meron tayong nano SIM card slot over here. Yan, dalawa yan. And then the micro SD card slot. Got the dual lens camera, the battery and all. So, yan. So, lagay na natin ulit yung back cover niya. So, kung mapapansin nyo, yung back cover ni Cherry Mobile Flare S7 is actually glossy. It's plastic, yes, but it's glossy. Hindi siya katulad dun sa Flare 7 Deluxe, pero meron pa rin siyang ganong shining, shimmering effect dun sa likod. Meron tayong fingerprint scanner sa likod. Yan, madali naman i-access. And since kahit 5.5-inch yung display niya, madali pa rin siyang hawakan kasi nga 18:9 display aspect ratio lang siya. Then, of course, we got the plastic dito sides. It's glossy. Yes, yan. Kita niyo naman. We got the headphone jack dito sa taas. USB Type-C sa baba with the speaker grill. On the right side, we got here the power button and the volume rocker. So, madali naman siya hawakan and super ergonomic niya kasi nga because of its display aspect ratio and also yung kanyang quality, yung kanyang design and its quality. So, plastic, magaan, then the curved glass dito sa likod. So, medyo mas even siya dun sa kamay natin. So, tanggalin na natin yung screen protector. So, again, we're not allowed to check out the software of the Cherry Mobile Flare S7, but as you can see here, there's this display niya. We do not have a notch, but it's fine. Then, of course, the bezel here below, the bezel at the top. Well, it isn't the, best-looking smartphone na meron si Cherry Mobile, but it's quite fair for its price. I mean, 4,599 for 2GB variant and 4,999 for the 3GB variant. I think that's fair naman, may ganito tayo looks, and I actually like the back of the smartphone. It's really shining. Talagang agaw attention. Sa unahan, yan, again, the bezel of the side isn't that thick, so okay lang. Then, of course, we got here the dual lens camera sa unahan, and of course, dual lens camera din sa likod. So, quad camera setup. And of course, we got here the LED flash para sa selfie. So, yeah, I guess that's it dito sa ating hands-on. Quick hands-on lang na Flare S7. Hopefully, we can get a hands-on of this one once na final na yung software niya. Malaman natin kung ano ba meron sa loob ng Cherry Mobile Flare S7. Again, this one is available for $4,599 for the 2 gig variant and $4,999 para sa 3 gig variant. So, yeah guys, if you like this video, I guess don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, well, now's the time to subscribe. So once again, I'm jamonline.ph and maraming salamat sa pag-check out ng hands-on ng Cherry Mobile Flare S7.